Green pea, mint and ginger soup. Prepare the ingredients. Dice 1 onion. Peel 5 garlic cloves. Chop half a red chilli. Chop 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. Place them all into a blender. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add half a cup of water. Puree into a paste. Heat a large saucepan over a high heat. Add the onion puree mixture. Saute for 1 minute. Add 4 cups of frozen peas. Add 6 cups of water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Stir well. Cover with a lid and bring to the boil. Remove from the heat and pour the soup into a blender. Add 1 handful of mint leaves. Puree until smooth. Pour the puree back into the saucepan. Add the juice of half a lemon. Mix well and serve in 4 individual bowls.